Hey y'all, today we're going to be doing a takedown on these butterfly locks. I'm going to be using the Jamaican Mango and Lime Loc Unloc to help me get these locks down. This product features so many amazing ingredients and benefits for your hair. The consistency of the product, I would say, is like a loose conditioner, but you can definitely feel how moisturizing and how much slip is going to provide the hair for detangling. As you can see, I showed her the bottle and she's impressed already. I'm following the directions by just massaging the product into the locks. As you can see, as soon as I started applying it, the lock was already slipping off. We were really impressed. She even smelled the product and you see she's nodding her head. It smells amazing. It feels amazing in my hands as I'm applying it. Like, I was just really enjoying using this as I was taking these down. I went ahead and covered her hair with the plastic cap after applying the product all throughout, and then we're gonna let that sit for 30 minutes and take it back off. From there, I pretty much just started cutting the wraparound hair off of her locks, and the product did the work for me. This Loc Unloc made this process so easy. You're gonna see in the close-up, I'm literally sliding the lock off, no problem. This process would normally take me about 2 to 3 hours. This time we were able to get done in about an hour and a half. The Loc Unloc did seep through her locks onto the braids that were underneath, so it was also a huge help in taking the braids down. As you can see, I'm barely even trying and the braid is unraveling on its own. I was super satisfied with this product. As you can see, she's all taken down. Her head wasn't hurting. This was such an easy process, so now we're gonna go ahead and shampoo her. Thank you guys for watching, and definitely pick up your Loc Unloc by Jamaican Mango and Lime.